Siamo nuovamente in diretta da Lineapelle, dal distretto Veneto della Pelle, per parlare questa volta di concia dal punto di vista della fornitura chimica internazionale, perché abbiamo il piacere di avere con noi Flavio Lucchese, direttamente dal Brasile in questo caso, ma come rappresentante di un'azienda, come Global Product Manager di un'azienda statunitense che si chiama Atlas Refinery. Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome to Lineapelle. I don't think it's your first Lineapelle, probably
No.
You are used to be here. How many Lineapelle do you make?
I've been coming for 10 years.
10 years,
at
so
least. Yeah.
it's a lot. Your name is Italian, but your Italian is not so French.
Italo-Brasiliano.
Okay, Flavio, we talk about, first of all, Atlas Refinery. Can you
Yes.
explain us what kind of, there is a long history behind
Yes.
the brand, behind the company, and could you
Yes.
explain us what's the mission and what's the
Right.
activity?
Atlas Refinery is a family company. Is on fifth generation. Is nearly 140 years old right now. They are from Newark, New Jersey, and they have focused all these 140 years on natural raw material. We use byproducts from the food industry, and we turn to high capability, quality products for the leather industry. And that's what they've been doing for nearly 140 years. So that's basically what the company does.
And where are you working now?
We're working globally. We have factories not just in the US, we have in Brazil, we have in China, Pakistan. And what we've been doing these past years is really expanding our product range to more high-tech products according to the requirements that European put on, the big brands, because we have such a good experience using natural raw material that is sustainable and renewable. And so we expanded in Brazil. For example, Brazil is probably the largest food supplier in the world, and then we get a bunch of food byproducts from the food industry. So what we've done all these past years, probably these past 10 years, is use and track byproducts, polymerize, and make sustainable products for the market that, bisphenol free, formaldehyde free, and that's what we got so far. And then it's been doing excellent, and we do have distribution all over. In Italy, where the market required the most, we've been feeling this, especially on bisphenol, formaldehyde, and all the other restricted substance. We did a global partnership and cooperation with Leather Cam and Techno Leather, and it's been fantastic because you guys also have a great technology. So we're combining this biotechnology from Italy together with our raw materials and our technology. So that's how things are moving.
Very interesting. And can you explain us what's the situation in the most important market for the leather production in the world, the 10 countries?
Yeah, I can talk about Asia. I travel 6 or 7 months of my time, and I can tell it's been tough. I think for all segments, there is a clear lack of consumption. I also think that we, as a tanners and leather, are misunderstanding what the new generation wants to buy. Talk about shoes, leather for the seats, in the cars, and there's a transition, and they require more sustainable products. I think sustainability is the key right now for this transition. I don't think it's going to change any soon. We see the economy, especially in the U.S., that drives, in Europe, even China, is still slow. There is no expectation to improve any soon. I believe at least to the elections. And there is a high cost energy for the Europeans. U.S. maybe is not feeling the same. So I see a complicated next 10 months. I don't think it's going to change. But again, if you focus on sustainable products, I think that's the key, at least to survive this.
It's the right
But
team to fight.
I think so, and it's the right thing to do at the moment. So we really focus on this. I can see all segments from Asia to Europe to USA. The young guy buying first car or the people that buying the shoes, they all focus on this. I think there's a wake up in the market around the world, and is going to grow, and it's good for us. We are definitely a sustainable segment industry. I think we have a lot to learn still, but I think we're much ahead than other industries.
What is the consideration of the Italian leather in the world, in your opinion?
I think definitely, Italy has been able to put the name, leather made in Italy right on top. No question about it. I think you can take fully advantage of that. I think they are. I think that nobody's going to take the place of Italian-made leather. I also see here, especially in Tuscany, is impressive to see what you guys achieve. But there's competition. Asia is coming. Asia is becoming more and more sustainable also. They have very large domestic business. And, for sure, this is going to be a challenging for Italian tanners too, But Italians right on top, for sure.
So this is the global situation. We should be ready to fight because nobody can say, okay, I'm okay.
No, Italy has so much advantage, especially machinery, the technology that you guys put here. And I see definitely you guys so much ahead, and I see as long that continue, I think we'll be okay. It's just Asia is coming, and we need to be prepared.
Thank you Flavio Lucchese, grazie mille Flavio Lucchese. Congediamo Flavio e aspettiamo qualche minuto per il prossimo ospite.